Why keep showing up for everybody else but never show up for myself? And why keep dodging all the love that's handed out to me? I think I need some help. Yeah, I'm in the field. I'm at the part where I wanna go back to the start, but I don't know if I wanna keep going. I wanna grab my life, years online, so I can't do slowin'. I can't start slowin', I can't do slowin'. But I'm getting real tired, put my pride to the side. Can't control my life, cause everything right in front of the cameras and lights. Gotta think twice, if I still got the side buried inside my mind. Why keep showing up for everybody else but I never show up for myself? And why keep dodging all the love that's handed out to me? I think I need some help. Never gonna do it. I keep imagining if I was, let's go. Imagining if I was true. Imagining if I wasn't really a whole lost cause. Imagine if I really got rid of all my flaws. Imagine if I really acted on all my thoughts. I reconnected the dots. I had to make sure the lines are broken. My brain started losing the plot. I had seen all of the patterns of chords. Emotions started to get blocked. I never talked, just feel the blood rushing. I'm hoping that give me a clot. Why keep showing up for everybody else but I never show up for myself? And why keep dodging all the love that's handed out to me? I think I need some help. Never gonna know if I keep on hiding. Never gonna know if I keep denying. Never gonna show if I keep imagining if I really got rid of all my thoughts.